natin sa hapon ito. The Yaran Soulmate Food Processing is a home-based business and a livelihood project which is located in Victoria, Oriental, Mindoro, na mag-cater po sa 13,993 families.
Nag-pretend ka pa.
Yung longganisa mo namin is different from other commercialized longganisa dahil ang product namin is traditional and healthier dahil po yung gagamitin namin na meat is 30% fat and 70% meat. Saka yung organic pork, yung aming gagamitin na mag-focus din po kami sa herbs na mayroong social benefits with health. It is high quality with health benefits. Dahil alam po natin lahat na yung herbs po is good for our health na nakaka-reduce din po siya ng cholesterol sa ating katawan. At saka everybody can take from child to adults dahil sa wala po siyang MSG at saka more po siya sa herbs. So yung aming social impact po is to train out of school youth, an unemployed mother and a single mother sa Narciso, Victoria, Oriental, Mindoro, at saka to enhance their living condition also. So our mission is to sell the best longganisa in town, made of organic ingredients, and also to help unemployed youngsters and jobless mothers through livelihood and entrepreneurial program in San Narciso, Victoria, Oriental, Mindoro. So our mission is to awaken the creativity and innovativeness of fellow mothers to succeed and become victorious to the war against domestic poverty. So yung church change po namin, sa lugar po ng Narciso is, yung mga father po is mostly small farmers na yung kanilang income is not enough sa kanilang family. Na hindi po sapat para magpadala ng kanilang mga anak sa school. So marami pong out of school doon. So at saka yung mga mother is wala rin po silang mga trabaho mostly. So naging idol sila. At saka nag-ano sila sa gambling. At saka yung iba pag nag-aaway sila ng kanilang mga husband is umiinom po sila. So yung solution namin is to create, ito nga yung Yaran Soulmate Food Processing is mag-provide po kami sa kanila ng training sa mga unemployed mothers, single mothers at saka out of school youth sa paggawa ng longganisa. At saka, so eventually they will become also our supplier or we need to pay them for their job. So yung change po is yung mga single mothers, unemployed, at saka yung out of school youth, magkaroon po sila ng source of income dahil nga sa ibibigay namin training na magkakaroon din sila ng trabaho. So, at saka yung mga out of school youth, magkakaroon din po sila ng chance na makapag-aral sa next school dahil yung aming opening ng aming business is from 9 to 4 p.m. So, sa night time, meron po silang chance na makapag-aral. At saka mag-avoid din po ng mga tambays doon. Yung strategies to yun na po is to provide training in longganisa making at to purchase or pay the trained people or the trained youngsters and unemployed mothers. At saka yung outlets po namin sa or yung aming market segment is wet market, supermarket, restaurants, groceries, fast foods, school canteens, or we have a door-to-door delivery, hotels, and inns. Yan po yung mga target namin na susupplyan namin ng aming product. So yung business model namin is environmental friendly po ito with social dimension dahil yung gagamitin po namin packaging or ipapack namin sa longganisa namin is banana leaves. At saka wala po siyang, hindi na po siya namin bibilhin dahil doon sa farm ng aking partner na si Ophelia is marami silang saging, puno ng saging doon. So, kukuha na lang po kami doon. Tsaka, to provide delivery service also, using pick-up. So, we earn, and our release also benefit as well. So, sa business model po namin is merong unique recipe, high quality craftsmanship that we use organic or natural ingredients as herbs, which is going to lower the risk of heart problems and reduce high cholesterol by using 30% fat and 70% lean. So, we also ensure that our vicinity is clean and our utensils and equipment are also clean. So, our advertising is to organize food testing during the opening, and we also have the chance to introduce the new product such as cocktail longganisa. At saka, we are going to use the technology using the social networking, blogging, emailing friends and relatives, also flyers, and the flyers in the website. We can also make the website, the free website sa internet. So we're also going to join the Longganisa Food Fair. Okay, kung mayroon po. So,
Gumawa ka ng Longganisa Festival.
Organize tayo.
Yung team po namin, si Ophelia Bacalin po, she's right now in Philippines dahil terminate po siya. So she's the part of our business, and I myself is Florence Culinario. So we both love cooking, and both of us also have the time to organize po rin kasi kami dito ng pagtuturo sa mga ibang mga organization na paggawa ng longganisa. So yung growth strategy namin po is that for the second year, we're going to open outlets or branches to different barangays or towns. And we're also going to work with the local government for the expansion. So continue development of new tests of longganisa to introduce to the market and to conduct blind tasting of new products or flavors. So for the third year po namin, as our business grows, we can already employ 3 full-time unemployed mothers and full-time 3 out-of-school youths. So by the end of third, we introduced to the market that there's 3 new tests flavor of longganisa. And soon we can also open our office in another barangays. Yung competition po namin dito is doon po sa lugar ng Mindoro is wala naman po masyadong mga strong competition doon. So yung aming risk na lang dito is yung brownout, pag walang electricity, at saka yung unhygienic handling results to waste and spillage, at saka unexpected delay of meat delivery or raw materials. So yung trains po produce their own. At saka